Gutter Done Exteriors, gutter installation, repairs and cleaning is your go-to for Glenmore gutter install and cleaning services when protecting your home. We understand the importance of maintaining your gutters to safeguard your property. Gutter services in Glenmore are essential for several reasons. Firstly, they are crucial in protecting homes and buildings from water damage. Gearing up your gutters for the sudden outpour of rain is important. Our specialty is avoiding debris or leaves on your roof that can clog the drainage system and cause water to overflow, preventing structural damage and costly repairs. Our experienced team specializes in gutter installation, repairs, and cleaning. We tailor our services to meet the unique needs of the Glenmore community. Don't let clogged gutters jeopardize your property's integrity. Our professional gutter cleaning services ensure the free flow of rainwater. Regarding Glenmore gutter install, we use high-quality materials and expert craftsmanship. Trust us to enhance your home's protection. Contact us today at 250-864-0083. Or visit our website at gutterdone.ca/area-serve/Glenmore-gutter-services. Gutter Done Exteriors, gutter installation, repairs and cleaning, your trusted Glenmore gutter install and cleaning partners. We've got you covered.